To transfer money with Santander, there are two methods. The first method involves using the Santander website. Start by visiting the website and signing into your account. From the home page, click on the Accounts and Cards button. Then select the Transfers 1 Pay option from the page that loads. Choose the transfer category, either domestic or international, and select the type of transfer from the drop-down menu. Enter the receiving account name and number, and verify your identity by entering the one-time password sent to your mobile phone to authorize the transfer. The second method is making self-transfers between your accounts. After signing in, click on the Payments and Transfers tab on the home page. Then click on the Transfer Between My Accounts button. Select the accounts you want to transfer money to and from. Enter the transfer amount, and authorize the transfer by scheduling when it will occur. Transferring money with Santander is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps.